very hot.
Ah! Jesus!
Relax.
Jesus.
Relax.
When they kill you, they say that.
Sorry.
Steve neck every minute.
Leg. Don't raise your leg. Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, you know, even from the fact that I didn't tell you the pressure points or where the pain was, and you could point where I needed. It's, already I feel some kind of release. I feel some kind of release. I feel, you know, the lock. I can feel the sheet in the lock. So
It's okay.
yeah, I will make it regular. It has to be.